Today we are here to start the lecture series of the Mathematics 1. Today our topic is rank of matrix. In last lecture we had discussed about the row and reduced row echelon of matrix. Okay, so now first definition. For the non-zero matrix A, number R is said to be a rank of A if there is at least one non-zero minor of order R, every minor of order R plus 1 if any is 0, the largest order of non-zero minor of the matrix is called rank of matrix. The rank of the non-zero matrix is greater than or equal to 1 and the rank of the null matrix is 0. Okay. Rank is matrix are denoted by a row A. Now property of the rank of matrix. The rank of matrix remain unchanged by the elementary transformation. The rank of the transpose of a matrix is same as the original matrix. The rank of the product of two matrices cannot exceed the rank of either matrix. That means row AB is less than equal to row A or row AB less than equal to row B. That means rank of AB is less than or equal to rank of A or rank of AB is less than or equal to rank of B. Method of find rank of matrix. First, by determinant that minor. Step 1. Decide the order of matrix. Step 2. Start with the minor of highest order. Step 3. If highest order minor is 0, then check minor with the lesser order. And step 4, if minor is non-zero, then the order of minor is become the rank of matrix. First, find the rank of matrix. A, 2 minus 1, 3, 4 minus 2, 6, minus 6, 3, minus 8 in terms of determinant. So, what is step 1? Order. What is order? Order is 3 cross 3. Rank of A is less than equal to 3. Now highest order of minor of order is 3. So we getting determinant 2. 16 minus 18. Minus 2 into minus 8 it is plus 16. 6 3s are 18. Minus that is plus 1. 4 into 8 it is minus 32, 6 and minus 6 that is plus 36, minus 3 plus 12 minus 12. So we getting 2 minus 2 plus 1 plus 4 minus 3 0 minus 4 plus 4 0. So determinant is 0. Third order minus is 0, so row A is not equal to 3. Now row A is less than 3. So what is our minor? Minus 2, 6, minus 3, minus 8. First of all we have to find minor of A11. So it is 16 minus 8 minus 2 does not equal to 0. Second order minor is non-zero. Now row A, that means rank of A equal to 2. Method of find rank of matrix by elementary transformation or by row echelon form, by reduced row echelon form. First, rank of matrix A is equal to number of non-zero row in the echelon form. Find rank of the following matrix by reducing it to echelon form. 1 minus 2 minus 3 0, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 2 0. Solution. First of all, we taking A, 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0, 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 0. Reducing a matrix A in a echelon form. What is the echelon form? Echelon form, that means in the row we have to convert this entry is 0. So what is R3 minus 3R1? So we get 1 minus 2 minus 3 as it is, 0, 2, 2 as it is 0, minus 2 minus 3 minus 2. What is our row operation? Minus 3, it is minus 2. This minus 3 into minus 2. So we get 6 and minus 2. So it is 4 and 9. Now we have convert row 1, row 2 is a leading 1 first number. So 1 by 2 are 2. So we get 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0, 1, 1, 0, 4, 9. Now we have to done 0, 4 in this entry. So R3 minus 4 are 2. 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 5. Now again, as per the row echelon form, we have to convert these as a leading 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So it is a row echelon form as a equal to 3. Now rank of A equal to 3. Method of find rank of matrix by reducing the matrix into normal form. If non-zero matrix A order m cross n can be reduced to any one of the following form: IR00, IR0, IR0, IR. We applying finite number of elementary transformation, then it is called the normal form of matrix A, where IR is a identity matrix of the order R, where R is less than M and less than N, and 0 is a matrix by the order and R is called the rank of A. Find the rank of following matrix by the reducing it into normal form. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. Solution. We taking A as a matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, now first of all, due to row echelon form, we have to convert R2 plus 2R1 is 0, it is 0. R3 minus R1. So we get 1, 2, 3 minus 1 as it is. Due to this row operation, we getting this row is 0. Now, in the R2, we taking 1 by 3 because leading 1, and in R3, we are taking 1 upon 2. So we get 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. See, in this case, row number 2 and row number 4 are same. So we take R3 plus R2 and R4 minus R2. So we getting two non-zero rows. Now we are taking લઈ લો સર મારાથી નહીં થાય ના ના વાંધો નહીં